Facing a launch error with your favorite game is frustrating. AAA-level error means it is a deep problem, but most of them can be solved with a few simple fixes. Here's how to fix a launch error in 2025. Fix 1. Update your drivers and game file. A launch error is often caused by a conflict between your PC and the game's code. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website and download the latest graphics driver. This is the most common fix. On platforms like Steam, you can repair your game files. Right-click the game, go to Properties, and find the option to verify integrity of game files. This will replace any corrupted files. Fix 2. Check server status and permissions. Sometimes the problem isn't your PC. Go to the game's official website or social media. If the servers are down for maintenance or overloaded, you'll find a notice there. Right-click the game's launch icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the game the permissions it needs to run properly. Fix 3. Reinstall. If all else fails, a fresh installation is your best bet. Use your game client or Windows, add or remove programs to fully uninstall the game. Download and install the game again. This will ensure you have a clean version with no corrupted files.